Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code just like this. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the tutorial. To create a QR code, you go to this website. I'm going to put the link in the description. So you have so many options to choose from. You can create a QR code for your website, PDF, vCard, list of links, videos, social media, MP3, so many options to choose from for businesses, apps, and so on. So I'm going to go with a website, and you can choose to put your YouTube channel, or if you have a website, you put it. Let me just use it for an example in this video. So when you put on the link, you click on next, and you choose the frame. If you're a delivery company, you can choose the one with the bicycle. Maybe if it's a coffee shop, you can choose this one with a cup. Just choose the frame you want. I'm going to go with this one. You can edit the text that says "Scam me," or you can put it another thing if you want. You can choose the QR code style. And when you're happy with your settings, you click on complete. You're going to see your QR codes over here. This is the one on my desktop, the one I just created this morning. So when someone scans it, you're going to see how many scans they have scanned your QR code. So that's how you create a free QR code. That's all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one.